Hey y'all, it's Mamaw. I'm going to be doing some refrigerator pickles. I do a jar about every spring when the fresh cucumbers and stuff comes in, and the cucumber skins are tender, and that's what you want, a good pickling cucumber, like a Kirby, or there's another brand that's good, I forget the name of it, but the skins are young and tender. So, and I've got some purple onion cut up to go in it. I'm going to set this aside and mix up my brine. And now for the brine, I've got 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt, and about a teaspoon of mustard seed. Now this is going to go on the stove and come to a boil. And while that's coming to a boil, I'm going to put the pickle spears in this big mouth quart jar. It don't have to be a canning jar. It can be any kind of jar with a good fitting lid, because they're going to be in the refrigerator. Sprinkle a few peppercorns as you go, some garlic, some dill, so it'll be kind of in between the pickles and stuff. Well, I need to quit hitting my bowl, don't I? I washed and cleaned my cucumbers and my onion, and I let them sit in a bowl of, in this bowl with some ice over it. That helps keep them crispy. And now we're going to add a few more peppercorns. Another piece of garlic. And a few mustard seed. Just a few. And another sprig of fresh garlic right on the top. I might as well go ahead and use this other little piece, so I don't have to worry about storing it. Now I'll wait for my brine. Now that it's come to a boil and dissolved the sugar and the salt, we're going to let it cool down a little bit before we pour it on this. Now that this has cooled down a little bit, I'm going to pour it over the pickles. So I liked a little bit, so anytime this happens, just add straight vinegar. sure all this stuff gets down in there good. Now I'll let this set out till it cools down a little bit, and then I'll set it in the refrigerator. It needs to set it in the refrigerator 24 hours at least. It's better 48. So, quote of the day: when a woman becomes her own best friend, life is easier. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.